In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads report in Google Sheet. By the end, you'll know how to connect a Google Sheet to Google Ads so you can manage data in a familiar spreadsheet while keeping everything aligned with your account. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Google Ads account and that you have a Google Sheet ready. It helps to keep the first row as clear headers, avoid merged cells, and ensure you have edit access to the sheet. Start by opening Google Ads in your browser and signing in. Once you're in the account, look toward the top of the screen for the Tools and Settings menu. This is where Google groups most of the admin and automation options you'll use to keep your workflows efficient. Open that menu, then find the section for Bulk Actions. That's the area designed for structured changes and data connections that work well with spreadsheets. Click into Bulk Actions and then choose Uploads. The Uploads page is your hub for feeding data into Google Ads from files or sheets and for reviewing the history of what's been imported. On the Uploads page, click the plus icon to create a new upload configuration. You'll be prompted to choose a source. This is where you tell Google Ads where your data lives. Select the option to use Google Sheets. Choosing Google Sheets keeps everything dynamic and easy to maintain, especially if multiple teammates collaborate or you rely on templates. Next, link an existing Google Sheet. Pick the spreadsheet from your drive, then select the specific tab that contains your data. Take a moment to confirm your headers are clear and consistent with the fields you intend to manage, such as campaign names, ad group names, keywords, bids, or budgets. Consistent formatting here prevents errors later. If your sheet includes dates or costs, use standard formats and avoid formulas that reference external, restricted files. Also, make sure the sheet is shared with the same Google identity you're using in Google Ads so the connection remains valid. Once linked, your sheet becomes the source. Google Ads will read when you initiate an upload from the Uploads page. You can return to this page anytime to review past uploads, troubleshoot issues, or start a new one using the same connected sheet. Treat the spreadsheet like a living report. Keep your columns tidy, document what each column is for, and lock your header row so it isn't accidentally edited. That way, your Google Sheet stays reliable, readable, and ready for smooth updates inside Google Ads.